In 3 days, husbands, we leveling up. Wives, we leveling up. As a matter of fact, all couples in a relationship, and if you're thinking about marriage, this workshop coming up in 3 days is for you. Saturday, the 7th, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. I want to invite you. I want to invite you because you will leave that experience with the knowledge, the practical strategies, and the skills necessary to level up your love, level up your thinking, level up your communication, level up your attraction, which will then level up your marriage. It does not matter where you are right now. You might even be feeling stuck in your marriage. I've got great news for you. Because if you cannot make it to the in person workshop, we have opened up the live Zoom option. Same experience you'll have, same access to the strategies and the skills and the worksheets and everything, but you can be able to do it in the comfort of your home. So I want to invite you, if you have not registered, there's still some in-person seats available, but I want to invite those of you who are not able to make it in person for whatever reason to register for the live Zoom option. I will leave the link in the description. I want you to like this video, share this video, and invite another couple that you believe can benefit from leveling up their marriage. We're looking forward to seeing you either in person or on the Zoom Live. Goodbye for now.